Hello students, in the today's class let us discuss about sociology and health. Sociology is derived from the Latin word societas means society and logos means study. Sociology is a systemic study of social activities, groups and the society. It is a study of social behavior and human groups based on social relationship. In sociology, we study about social structure, social activity, social relationship, human behavior in group, social groups, and the social system. Coming to types of sociology. It is divided into two types, that is micro sociology and macro sociology. Micro sociology, as the name indicates, micro means small. In micro sociology, there is study of small groups. It is a branch of sociology that studies small groups and units within a large society. Example, young sportsmen. Coming to macro sociology. In macro sociology, there is study of all communities. Macro sociology is branch of sociology concerned with the study and analysis of society in their totality. Example is crime and functionalism. Coming to socio-cultural factors related to health and the disease. There are various factors that affect our health. Social determinants of the health are the condition that we live, work, learn and play in. These conditions can affect the health. Some factors which influences on our health are education, earning, accommodation, access to healthcare, family, culture, nutrition and environment. Coming to education. Education play very important role in the healthy life. Educated peoples will be having confidence to take better decision about their health. If person or a peoples are more educated, they participate more in the healthy activities such as yoga, running, exercise, walk and routine checkup. Educated peoples are not participate in unhealthy activities such as smoking, alcohol, alcohol drinking habits, etc. Education also increases the higher paying jobs. Education often comes with the advantage like health insurance, healthier workers, healthier working states. That means if the person who are working in the multinational companies or the software companies, along with that person, their family also getting health insurance. All this implements adds up to good health. Coming to earning. Healthy peoples, they will get good medical supervision, whereas the wealthy peoples, that is who are having more money, they are very lazy and inactive. Because of this, they are getting cardiovascular disease, diabetes and fatness. Coming to accommodation. Accommodation play a very important role in the health life. Living place should be safe, free from danger or risk. People who don't have a particular shelter or unsheltered, those who are living in the sheltered place, they are prone to high health problems, that is internal body problems. Pests and toxins present in the living place affect the health and increases health problem. Accommodation should be near to the food market so that the peoples or the family persons who are living, they can buy healthy food. The surrounding of the living place is free from crime, pollution free and violence free. It gives children and adults a safe place for physical activity. Being local, their commodities helps you to live a healthier and safe life. Coming to access to healthcare, the person who are educated, they will be getting money so that if they get any disease, they can go to doctor and take treatment. The people who are not having any job or less income peoples, they're not having access to healthcare. Coming to factor is very essential factor for the health. Genes control the health of the person or individual from the moment of fertilization. The genetic makeup cannot be changed. Few diseases like mental diseases, diabetes, um, and hereditary, and typhoid or the hereditary problems. The objective of the health and the family welfare uh, services is to treat disease, protect from illness, and promotion of the health. Health service like safe water supply protects life from various diseases. If fluoride content is very less in the water, so what tooth decay will occurs. And coming to culture now, culture is defined as the people, lifestyle, behavior, friend circle, also habits, that may be alcoholism or the smoking. The various number of diseases like cancer, diabetes, and the heart disease are connected to culture of the people. Better culture, good lifestyle, and balanced diet. For example, balanced diet, sleep, yoga, exercise promotes our health. Coming to nutrition, good nutritions like egg, meat, leafy vegetables, grain, butter, ghee are very important for the normal growth. They give resistance against infection or the diseases. Coming to environment, disease or generated by change in the climate like water, air, environmental changes, etc. You might have observed for small kids, if there is change in the place, they will get fever or running nose. Environments are of two types, that is internal environment and the external environment. Coming to internal environment. Internal environment means organ, system, tissue of the body and their functioning. External environment means biological, physical, and the psychological components to which an individual is exposed. Both internal environment and the external environment are very important for the health. Coming to impacts of urbanization on health and the disease. Urbanization is the state in which the society is transformation from usual rural to the usual urban public. It consists two things, that is increase in the number of peoples living in the urban accommodation and increase in percentage of population busy in non-agricultural activities living in such place. That is in the villages, after finishing their home cleaning and all, they will go to field and they will work there. They will be physically tired in that, and they will get nice sleep at the night. But uh, in cities there will be lack of physical activities, but mental stress is more. Because of this stress we won't get sleep at the night also. Coming to impacts of urbanization on the health and the disease, it is divided into three types. That is health inequity, mental health, depression, and health hazards of the poor water supply and sanitation. Health inequity is the systemic comparison of the health status of the different population groups. Health inequities includes education, income level, employment status, gender, and nationality have a marked influence on how healthy a person is. Coming to mental health depression. Shortage of privacy can lead to depression, stress, and also disturbing the mental health. Mental health and depression, stress due to overcrowding, fast growth of the urban centers had leads to substandard housing on marginal lands and the overcrowding. Health hazards of poor water supply and sanitation. Water and sanitation problem is due to increased urbanization. A lack of safe and clean drinking water and sanitation. Water stress is major problem in many urban areas. Pollution of water source. Water pollution is most important environmental problem. The change in the physical, chemical and the biological properties of the water will have a harmful result on the living things. There are many types of water pollution. That is surface water pollution, nutrient pollution, oxygen depletion, suspended water, suspended matter, oil pollution, and chemical water pollution. Coming to surface water pollution. Here, the hazardous substances comes into contact with the surface water and dissolve physically in the water. Coming to nutritional pollution, wastewater contains high level of nutrients, that is algae, which will make the water undrinkable. Coming to oxygen depletion. Water bodies have microorganisms, both aerobic and anaerobic organism. If oxygen level is reduced, anaerobic organism grows more and produces toxins. Coming to suspended matter may be solid particles, substance, chemicals, etc. These are not easily dissolved in the water, so they are going to settle under the water body and they are going to harm and destroy the aquatic life. Coming to oil pollution. Oil pollution is a major problem in today's time. Oil pollution is harmful to marine wildlife such as fish, bird. Seabirds loses their ability due to air pollution. Coming to chemical water pollution. Chemical water pollution expanded as many industries and the farmers work will ends up in the water. Chemical water pollution is a major problem in India. Metals and the solvents from the industries can pollute water bodies and these are poisonous to many forms of marine life.